A very warm welcome to all my listeners. Welcome to the Satsang of Ramcharitmanas. Today we will start after the Nava Parayan, which is the third Vishram of the Ramcharitmanas. So let's begin with our verses. We are talking about the Balyakand and we are talking about after marriage ceremonies which are performed in Ayodhya Nagari. So let's begin with our explanations and our lessons. भूप बिलो की लिए उरलाई बैठी हरषि राजय सुपाई देखी राम सब सभा जुड़ानी लोचन लाभ अवधि अनुमानी। राजा ने देखते ही उन्हें हृदय से लगा लिया। तदंतर वे आज्ञा पाकर हर्षित होकर बैठ गए। श्री रामचंद्र जी के दर्शन कर और नेत्रों का लाभ बस यही सीमा है, ऐसा अनुमान मानकर सारी सभा शीतल हो गई, अर्थात सब प्रकार के सब लोगों के ताप मिट गए। That means when Shri Ram Prabhu came to the court, then at that time king embraced Shri Ram Prabhu, and all the people, those who were present in the court, they were also very happy to see Shri Ram Prabhu. Not only they were very happy, but whatever the problems, whatever the difficulties they are having, all their difficulties, it seems like that they are getting far away from their difficulties. So see the beauty of this, of Shri Ram Prabhu, the power of Shri Ram Prabhu. By only seeing Shri Ram Prabhu, people will get rid from all their sufferings. पुनि पुनि वशिष्ठ मुनि कौशिक आए, सुभग आसन ही मुनि बैठाए, सुतन समेत पूजी पदि लागे, निरखि राम दौ गुरु अनुरागे, निरखि राम दौ गुरु अनुरागे। फिर मुनि वशिष्ठ जी और विश्वामित्र जी आए। राजा ने उनको सुंदर आसनों पर बैठाया और पुत्रों समेत उनकी पूजा करके उनके चरण लगे। दोनों गुरु श्री रामचंद्र जी को देखकर प्रेम के मुक्त हो गए। Afterwards, then their gurujis, their teachers, Shri Vasishtha ji and Shri Vishwamitra ji, they came to the court also. When they came, the king has given suitable places for them to sit and take place in the court. Then all the brothers along with Shri Ram Prabhu, they have taken their blessings of Guru Shri Vishwamitra ji as well as Shri Vasishtha ji. Afterwards, when these gurus are sitting, these gurus are becoming more happy after seeing Shri Prabhu Ramchandra ji in the court. कही वशिष्ठु धर्म इतिहासा, सुनहि महेशु सहित रनिवासा, मुनि मन अगम गधि सुत करनी, मुदित वशिष्ठ विपुल विधि बरनी, मुदित वशिष्ठ विपुल विधि बरनी। वशिष्ठ जी धर्म के इतिहास कह रहे हैं और राजा रनिवास सहित सुन रहे हैं, जो मुनियों के मन में भी अगम्य है। ऐसे विश्वामित्र जी की करनी को वशिष्ठ जी ने आनंदित होकर बहुत प्रकार से वर्णन किया। That means Guru Vasishtha ji is talking about the spirituality, is talking about the religion, and the king and the queens in the court, they are listening all their teachings. जो मुनियों के मन को भी अगम है, not only king and queens but all the people, those who are present, all other learned teachers, they are also listening to those divine and wiseful teachings of Guru Vasishtha ji. ऐसे ही विश्वामित्र जी की करनी को वशिष्ठ जी ने आनंदित होकर बहुत प्रकार से सुना। Afterwards, Vishwamitra ji also have listened Guru Vasishtha ji teachings with lots of dedication and lots of patience and with love. बोले बाम देव सब साची, कीरति कलति लोक तेहु माची, सुनि आनंद भयो सब काहू, राम लखन उर अधिक उछाओ, राम लखन उद अधिक उछाओ। वामदेव जी बोले, ये सब बातें सत्य हैं। विश्वामित्र जी की सुंदर कीर्ति तीनों लोकों में छाई हुई है। यह सुनकर सब किसी को आनंद हुआ। श्री राम लक्ष्मण के हृदय में अधिक उत्साह और आनंद हुआ। वामदेव जी, दैट मीन्स प्रभु राम वामदेव, they said that whatever they are telling, everything is true and correct. विश्वामित्र जी की सुंदर कीर्ति, that means the power of Vishwamitra Guru, Vishwamitra ji, that the valor of Guru Shri Vishwamitra ji is known for everybody. Is not only in this arena, but it is in 3 worlds. It is known for everyone. Listening to these things, everybody was feeling with immense pleasure, immense happiness. And Prabhu Shri Ram, along with brother Shri Lakshman ji, they both are also feeling lots of happiness in their heart. मंगल मोद उछा निति जाहि, देव दिवस एहि भांति, उमगी अवध आनंद भरि अधकी, अधिक अधिक अधिकाति, ओ रामा अधिक अधिक अधिकाति। नित्य ही मंगल, आनंद और उत्सव होते हैं। इस तरह आनंद में दिन बीत जाते हैं और अयोध्या आनंद से भरकर उमड़ पड़ी। आनंद की अधिकता अधिक अधिक बढ़ती जा रही है। Every day there is a celebration. Every day there is a happiness going on in the city Ayodhya Nagari. All the peoples are very much involved in the process of the celebration. So people are in the celebration mode. That's what it is being explained. And in this, the time is also passing. As we know, time will never stop. Time is passing in this celebration and in this happiness what the people are experiencing. Ayodhya Nagari आनंद से भरकर उमड़ पड़ी. That means the full city is experiencing immense joy, immense happiness, and they are feeling in their heart. And every moment, passage of the time, this happiness is growing, day by day growing. सुदनि सोधि कल कंकन छोरे, मंगल मोद विनोद न थोरे, नित नव सुख सुर देखी सिहाई, अवध जन्म जाची विधि पाही, अवध जन्म जाची विधि पाही। अच्छा दिन, शुभ मुहूर्त शोध कर सुंदर कण खोले गए। मंगल, आनंद और विनोद कुछ कम नहीं हुए, अर्थात बहुत हुए। इस प्रकार नित्य नए सुख को देखकर देवता सिहाते हैं और अयोध्या में जन्म पाने के लिए ब्रह्मा जी से याचना करते हैं। So this much beautiful atmosphere was there in the Ayodhya, which attracts not only the people but also the gods. And the god, they are saying and requesting to Brahma ji that please give me a chance to get a birth in this beautiful place. After seeing a good time, then their concord is getting open. The concord is a thing in the marriage they are going to wear. The bride and groom, they are going to wear in their hands. So after taking or seeing the good time, as per as the Vedic calendar, their concord is being opened. Mangal, Anand or Vinod. Time is passing, but there is no less amount of happiness and prosperity in the city. With the passage of time, everything is increasing. There is no lesser amount of happiness, spirituality, and the joy is getting reduced. Every moment of time, that joy, happiness is increasing day by day. विश्वामित्र चलुत नित चहई, राम सप्रेम विनय बस रहई। दिन दिन सयगुन भी पतु भाऊ, देखी सराह महा मुनिराऊ। देखी सहात महा मुनिराहु। विश्वामित्र जी नित्य ही चलना अपने आश्रम में चाहते हैं, पर रामचंद्र जी के स्नेह और विनयवश रह जाते हैं। दिनों दिन राजा का 100 गुना भाव देखकर महामुनिराज विश्वामित्र जी उन्हें सराहना करने लगते हैं। सो नाउ गुरु विश्वामित्र जी wants to go to their place, but Shri Ram Prabhu, he don't want that Shri Guru Vishwamitra ji will go to the place or go to their ashram, and he is also requesting that Prabhu please don't go. Listening to all this request, Vishwamitra ji is having lots of love and affection towards Prabhu Shri Ram. He is thinking that Prabhu Ram is not allowing me to go to the ashram, and with this he is feeling happiness inside the heart. मांगत बिदाराउ अनुरागे, सुतन समेत ढाण भयागे। नाथ सकल संपदा तुम्हारी, मैं सेवक समेत सुत नारी। मैं सेवक समेत सुत नारी। अंत में विश्वामित्र जी ने विदा मांगी, तब राजा प्रेम मगन हो गए और पुत्रों सहित आगे खड़े हो गए। वे बोले, हे नाथ, यह सारी संपदा आपकी ही है, मैं तो स्त्री पुत्रों सहित आपका सेवक हूँ। Afterwards, in the last, Shri Vishwamitra ji said that King, now Maharaj Dasharat ji, King or Maharaj Dasharat ji, we want to go to our place, and they are requesting, Shri Vishwamitra ji is requesting for their departure. Listening to this, Maharaj Dasharat ji became so emotional, and along with the son, he said, Hey Nath, Hey Prabhu, Hey my teacher, oh my teacher, whatever the money I am having, that all belongs to you, and I am your servant along with my full family. So he is giving and offering all his services to his Guru. So that is the moral values in the ancient time. The kingly person is having towards its teachers. करब सदा लरकी हन पर छोऊं, दरसन देत रहब मुनि मोहूं। अस कहि राव सहित सुत रानी, परम चरण मुख आवना बानी। परम चरण मुख आवना बानी। हे मुनि, लड़कों पर सदा स्नेह करते रहिएगा और मुझे भी दर्शन देते रहिएगा। ऐसा कहकर पुत्रों और रानियों सहित राजा दशरथ जी विश्वामित्र जी के चरणों पर गिर पड़े। प्रेम विह्वल हो जाने के कारण उनके मुंह से बात निकली। महाराज दशरथ जी became so emotional that he requested Shri Vishwamitra ji that, hey Vishwamitra ji, or hey my teacher, oh my teacher, please always shower your blessings on my family, on my kids, on my son, and please do visit timely to Ayodhya Nagari. When he is saying, Raja Dasharath ji saying all these things, he is in the feet, he is touching the feet of Guru Vishwamitra ji. So he is a king, but he is not shy at all in touching the feet of Guru Vishwamitra ji. दीनहि असिस विप्र बहु भांति, चले न प्रीत रीत कही जाती, राम सप्रेम संग सब भाई, आय सुपाई फिरे पहुँचाई, आय सुपारी फिरे पहुँचाई। ब्राह्मण विश्वामित्र जी ने बहुत प्रकार से आशीर्वाद दिए और वे चल पड़े। प्रीति की रीति कहीं नहीं जाती, सब भाइयों के साथ लेकर श्री राम जी प्रेम के साथ उन्हें पहुंचाकर और आज्ञा पाकर लौटे। So Brahman Vishwamitra ji has given lots of blessings to everyone, and after giving the blessings, he started his journey along with Shri Prabhu Ram ji. Shri Prabhu Ram ji accompanied him to his ashram. The love and the feelings which is involved in the process between the disciple and the teacher, you cannot express in the words. That's what it is written. That feeling is not being expressed in the word. प्रीति की रीति कहीं नहीं जाती. Love cannot be able to explain it. Along with all the brothers, when Prabhu Shri Ram accompanied Shri Vishwamitra ji to his ashram, after taking his blessings, Shri Prabhu Ram ji along with his brothers came back to Ayodhya Nagari. राम रूप भूपति भगति ब्याहु उछाऊ आनंद, जात सराहत मन ही मन, मुदित गधि गुलचंद हो रामा, मुदित गली गधि गुलचंद। गधि कुल के चंद्रमा विश्वामित्र जी बड़े हर्ष के साथ श्री रामचंद्र जी के रूप, राजा दशरथ जी की भक्ति, चारों भाइयों के विवाह और सबके उत्साह और आनंद को मन ही मन सराहते जा रहे हैं। Now Vishwamitra ji came to his ashram, but still his heart and his mind is appreciating Prabhu Shri Ramchandra ji, his father, his mothers. Everybody he is appreciating, and when he is appreciating, his heart is filled with immense joy and pleasure. So tomorrow again we will continue with our satsang. Thank you for watching, and we will meet tomorrow. If you like the recitation, and if you have any comment, any discussion, any information, you are most welcome to share. Write in your comment box so that everybody we can share this satsang. Thank you so much for listening. Jai Shri Ram. See you tomorrow. Take care with lots of love and blessings.